Hey guys, how are you? My name is Ira, and today we're going to check on what I bought on a Black Friday and for the Christmas as well. Let's get started with skincare. First of all, I got the serum with retinol from Boots. This is completely out of the Black Friday or anything like that. I bought it actually in Dubai like half a year ago, but I couldn't use it because it's summertime. I'm not using any kind of the retinols, and it was super cheap, so I decided to try it. And even though the retinol here is mentioned as the latest ingredient, still itching. I know that there will not be any results, but it's itching, so it's interesting. Also, I got a serum from Caudalie. I bought their very popular Hydra mask. I like the packaging. It's a glass, matte glass, heavy, nice. I got two all-day hydrator creams from Sephora for me and my friend. Let's see how it will go. I also got, it's already viral, the Ink List 3-peptide plumping lip balm. So you have to use it 3 or 5 times per day, and apparently after 2 weeks or 1 month, your lips are going to be fuller. I'm not going to use it now, even though I open it. I was stupid. 6 months. I need to start to use it soon. I will use it like in 3 months. From Sephora, the HENRIKSEN Glow Strong Mini Moisturizer and Eye Cream Duo. I heard so many good reviews on both of those things, so I just decided to grab it to try because I'm super curious. Apparently this Banana Bright Eye Cream, it's similar to my Origins one, which my beloved, like super loved one. So I will try that one. And I also got the Mini Trainer Peptide Boost Moisturizer. I like the packaging, also matte glass, even for the mini versions. Sol de Janeiro. Well, already on hype. I decided to take this kit because I'm super curious. There is a moisturizing shower gel, their iconic Brazilian Bum Bum cream, and some perfume. Got to be Farewell Flyaways Touch-Up Brush for hair. It's like a gel, not that strong, which you're doing like this to your baby hair. Now the makeup. The lash glue from Catrice. It was just for €3, so that's why I decided to take it. So what is on my lips? The L'Oreal Les Macarons Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick. I love those lipsticks, so that's why I decided to grab it. It's 828. It's on my lips. It looks like this. I just love those colors. I like the formula. I assume that you cannot grab this collection anymore since it was limited edition. I don't know, I need to double check. I bought it in a store. It's kind of Marshalls, so they have some discontinued things there. Okay, yes, I know. I bought Sephora 92 liquid lipstick. I like the formula. I was looking at this color for the past 1 year, I guess.
Or more. So I decided to grab it. Let me compare. They are different. Come on. Thank goodness. So this is Sephora and this is L'Oreal. You see, so Sephora is more, I would say magenta, and the Les Macarons, L'Oreal is more strawberry or raspberry.
I got the Vivienne Sabo mascara, the Cabaret one, classic one, love it. I also got the Telescopic Lift mascara from L'Oreal. It's making very nice lashes, but the 2 things already. And it's not smudging anywhere. So this is also good, not like this. Oh my god, the Essence one, which I hate. 2 things. You cannot make a second layer, or you have to do it super fast because it's drying out super fast, sorry. And today was my 3rd time using it. First and the second time, I almost ruined my eye. I ruined my makeup, yeah. But my eye, like I put it so hard and it's so spiky, and the bristles are so strong and sharp, and it was horrible. So today I was like literally super careful with this one. So I don't know, I like the effect, but if it's damaging my eyes, I'm not a fan of it, you know. So let's see. I got two foundations. The first one is Lumene CC cream in a shade Fair. It's my go-to. It's my third or fourth pack. Really like this brand, really like this CC cream. Amazing one. It gives such a nice flawless finish. It's I would say it's light to medium coverage. It covers, but your skin is peeking through. It's a very, very, very nice CC cream. I also got from this kind of Marshalls here the Baiteri for €6. When I saw that they have Baiteri, I was like, excuse me. So I immediately thought, okay, either it's going to be expired soon, either it's going to be discontinued. So I went on the website, the official one, Baiteri. They still have it in all of the shades. I went to Sephora. They have only 1 or 2 shades. And I was like, okay. Then I went to the specific site where with a code of the package, you can find out when it was
produced, manufactured, and it was produced like 3 years ago. So I was like, okay, most probably it's expired. Then I went to different websites, and it says that if that's something I didn't know. If on the package it doesn't mention that the product has to be used within 3 years, 5 years, 6 years, most probably it's the product can be used for many years, like up to 10 years or even more. So there is nothing on the package and on the previous, you know, like this one, carton one. So I was like, okay, let me try. So I'm trying it
already for the third time, and I'm in love. I'm so shocked. Right now it's on my face. It's been 12 hours. I powdered it well in this zone under my eyes with the Airspun powder. Okay, it's mattifying, but the rest of the face I powdered with Hourglass one, and it still looks good. And for 2 days I was applying 2 layers because I don't know why I didn't like 1 layer. And today I applied only with 1 layer because when I started to apply, I liked the effect. So I was like, okay, let's give it a try. Let's do 1 layer only. And I really liked it. So it's on my face. I hope it looks okay. I didn't do any touch-ups or powders, nothing. So like I'm shocked, like, wow. Well, Baiteri, you know, I got it for €6 instead of €45. So I'm just like, damn bitch. Also face, oh, my favorite Studio Fix powder. I decided to go with a lighter shade. I have mine in NC20, and sometimes it's too dark, sometimes it's too light, and it doesn't depend on my skin tone. I think it mostly depends on the foundation shade which I'm wearing. So I decided I just need for brightening the NC10. I got new blush from Rare Beauty.
Right now it's Delhi, and I destroyed the pack. What you see? Those are the vegan things. Yes, save the planet, I agree, but sometimes, I mean...
So I already have the shade Hope, and now it's Believe, it's darker one. Wow, guys. This is a Dope Cosmetics Glow Highlighter. It's called Glow. The name of the shade is Glow. Looks like this. Oh my goodness, look at this. I was already using it nice shadows because it looks like all of my sparkles, which I'm currently in love. And now I have the big pressed version. I was thinking that on my cheeks it will be horrible, but no, it's because I was feeling it will be like glitter all over the face. But no, very good. It's not gentle, obviously, it's so sparkly. Out of space, like literally out of space. Super duper cool. Super. It was just 1 swatch. Look at this. Just something insane. And the last things are 3 lip liners. Almost all of the same colors, but no. The first one is Sephora one. It's like a warm coppery color, like a brick color. I will tell you the shade is No, yes, I'm very smart. 23 copper blush. So yeah, looks very good on the lips, very good. Also Miss Tais number 776, classic kinda makeup forever, and now Kylie lip pencil, the gray one, for, well, I applied it a lot, but you got the idea, for contouring your lips. And the same one, I bought a stone lip liner from MAC, classic one. Guys, I found a dupe. If you cannot afford stone, you can afford Miss Tais, if you can find Miss Tais. Okay, so here we have copper blush, the second one Miss Tais, and the third one is stone. It's a little bit different undertones, but I think on the lips it will be identical. This completes my haul, the Black Friday and Christmassy haul. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up, comments below. Any activity will be really appreciated. Subscribe as well. Yes. My name is Ira, and have a good evening. Bye.